Mayawati government has finally ordered a CBI probe into the mysterious death of Dr. YS Sachan, the deputy CMO who was found murdered in mysterious circumstances in a jail hospital in Lucknow. Mayawati has also wrapped the state police for shoddy investigation after the CJM probe. Sanket now joins us live for more on this. Sanket, finally the Mayawati government has giving in, and finally a CBI probe has been ordered into the mysterious death of Dr. YS Sachan.
Well, yes, Munmun, that seems to be the case right now. There is intense pressure on the Mayawati administration. Remember, 21 days later, Mayawati administration was maintaining all this while that this is a case of suicide and not murder. But then yesterday in the CJM court, in fact, it was very clear that this is very much a case of murder. So there was pressure on the Mayawati administration, not just from the political parties, which have been very consistent in their position that a CBI probe should be ordered in this entire matter. Also, the family members of Dr. YS Sachan, R.K. Sachan, continuously saying that CBI probe in this entire matter should be ordered. But now even the CJM court, on a legal level also, there was a lot of pressure on the Mayawati administration. Pranshu Mishra joins us with all the latest. Now, Pranshu, what is the decision that has been taken and what actually forced Mayawati to take this decision?
Well, Sanket, of course, it's a major decision by the state government in this entire matter. And remember, the sense what I get is why the state government has now been compelled to hand over this case to CBI is the yesterday's proceedings in the double-judge bench of the Lucknow bench of Allahabad High Court. And remember, inside the court, the hearing went on for at least 4 hours yesterday, where the state government continuously kept on praying that they don't want a CBI probe into this case because they don't believe in the impartial and independent nature of CBI. And clearly, the state government was yesterday demanding for a court-monitored special investigation into this entire case.
Pranshu, we are in fact joined in by UPCC Chief Rita Bahuguna Joshi for more on this. Thanks very much, ma'am, for speaking to Times Now. This was a long-standing demand of the Congress party as well. What do you have to say about this CBI probe that has been recommended by the state government?
It's much too late to win the confidence of the people again. But I think the CM had read the writing on the wall. The judgment in the case has been reserved by the High Court. And she probably could see that the High Court will pass a judgment ordering a CBI inquiry in this matter. So it has come much too late, but it has exposed the UP government very badly. And I feel now that if the government is honest, and most surprisingly, the statement or the noting of the Chief Minister is very interesting. She has tried to know from the officers, the department, why they are trying to prevent a CBI if the family is wanting it, which means that she was so innocent that she didn't know the reasons and she was not stalling it. Now, if the CM is really honest, she should order a probe, CBI probe, in the murder of both Dr. Arya and Dr. Singh, the other CMOs who have been murdered in line with the murder of Sachan. So you see, we are very happy that the pressure of the Congress party and the pressure, psychological pressure of the High Court's judgment being reserved has impacted the government, and this has come. But it is meaningless, and the government stands exposed.